God is everywhere, and in every particle, but He dwells most in a man. That is why serving God like people is the real service of God. While speaking the truth, one should be very humble and focused, because through truth, God can be experienced. God has many names, and He can be approached through various means. By what name you call Him, and how you worship Him, it is not so important. What matters is how much you feel Him within you. In the sacred books, many good things can be read, but there is perhaps no book like this, by reading which religion can be built up. Travel around the world, but even then you will get nowhere. What you want to achieve is always within you. The world is actually a mixture of truth and belief. Abandon the things that make up belief, and embrace the truth. You see many stars in the night sky, but when the sun rises, those stars are no longer visible. Similarly, if you, due to ignorance, cannot attain God, it does not mean that God does not exist at all. Pure knowledge and pure love are the same thing. Only through knowledge and love, the goal can be fulfilled, and here the path called love is easier. Those people are born in failure, who waste their hard-earned human life in this way, and do not try to feel the presence of God in their whole life. On worldly matters, knowledge makes a man stubborn. Pride of knowledge is a bond. Just as a dusty mirror does not reflect sunlight, so a dirty mind cannot reflect God's revelation. When the wind continues, the fan should cease, but when God's grace persists, prayer and penance should never cease. Water and bubbles are one thing. The same Jivatma and Paramatma are one thing, the only difference between them being that one is finite, and the other infinite, one is not independent, and the other both independent and independent. God alone, the guide and master of the world. One who has attained spiritual knowledge is never poisoned by lust and greed. Bond and release, only thoughts of the mind alone. The man who acts without any interest is actually doing his own good. Be honest and wise in your judgments, act according to your judgment, then you show to succeed. Pray with an honest and simple mind, your prayers will be heard. If you really want to be mad, then don't be mad for material things, but be mad for the love of God. Religion is easy to talk about, but it is difficult to put it into practice.